Guys, this is Tickbit Ai project on Telegram. Today's update is going to be from my total activities in this application. This is not a financial advice, okay? Remember, this project is currently under suggestion category. Okay? Now let's go and see our deposit, okay? Our deposit history. You can see I deposited $10. Okay, I want to deposit $5 previously, but the minimum deposit on Solana from the exchange is $5. It's $10, so I quickly changed my $5 to $10. Okay, that's what. And when I deposited my $10, it shows $11 because there was 10% deposit bonus on Tickbit Ai. If you deposit $10, you'll be getting $1 for free, which is I got $11. Okay, and my earnings, there's a new feature in the calculator which I just uploaded in our channel as well. Okay, when you click on the calculator, you will see, go to my balance, click on my balance, and you'll be able to see what you'll be getting in a day, what you'll be making in a day, in a week, in a month, in 3 months, in a year. Now let's go to calculator. Now day one, you'll be getting, currently I'm getting $0.38, which is approximately $4, $0.4, not yet that, but approximately going to that direction. Okay, now in a week I'll be making $2.9. In a month I'll be making $18. In 3 months I'll be making $163. In a year I'll be making $586,728. I don't know what this is real. I don't think this is realistic. I've talked about this in my previous video. This yearly earning, I don't think this is realistic. $500,000 is not something you can get for free. Okay, very unreal. Okay, but I think the daily earning, the weekly earning, the monthly earning is accurate. That is accurate. The 3 months, I think it might be accurate. I think this is compounded interest. I believe this is compounded interest. So what this simply means is that whenever you are giving their balance, you should be claiming it to your balance. That's when it can increase. If you don't claim it, let me go and explain to you. Now this is your claiming your mining balance. This mining balance here, if you don't claim it, it will not be added here. And this is where you need to put your balance so that it can accumulate for you. If your balance gets here, it will increase your per hour earning. This is per hour. That is the calculator. Okay, if you didn't claim it, it will not be added to your balance. Currently I have $11. Okay, previously $10.9. Okay, $10.9, but currently I have $12. Previously my earning per hour was $0.015 per hour. Now is $0.0162 per hour. What makes it so is because I've claimed $1 in the past 3 days. Remember, they say if you deposit, your balance will be frozen for 3 days. After 3 days, you can withdraw. Okay, and currently they have unfreeze the notification it's not there any longer, which means I can withdraw. Remember, I've withdrawn $0.2 without investment. Now I'm trying to withdraw something from it, but I know it will go through. Okay, so hesitating. I'm hesitating whether I should leave the token, the $10 with them, or I should claim all my tokens. I'm still hesitating. Okay, so let me see how it goes. Maybe I'll be leaving it, because I'll be leaving it $10. That is something I'm willing to risk. I'm willing to risk $10. Okay, like I said earlier, do whatever your risk appetite is okay. If your risk appetite is within $1, do what you are capable of. If your risk tolerance is at $10, you can leave it. If your risk tolerance is $100, $1,000, $1 million, it depends on your financial ability or capacity currently. Okay, if you don't have that mindset of risking money, you can't be making money. That's life. Okay, but don't throw your money away. Okay, don't just invest in platforms. Investing in random platforms can make you lose your funds. You can throw your money to the air. from experience. Okay, so the best alternative is to invest in what you know, invest in what you trust, invest in what you have research on. That's why I always tell you, disclaimer, do your own research, because a lot of things that you see online, most of them are not real, most of them are fake, most of them are scam website. For you to have legitimate website, it takes a lot of time, a lot of research, and a lot of, okay, crawling the site, crawling the internet. That's how to get legitimate, and you have to do your thorough research. Without prior experience, you will not understand what you are doing. You will just be wasting your money. Okay, but this platform is not that is it's not currently under our suggestion, under our recommended category. Okay, remember we have recommended category, but the reason I have not put this into recommendation category, I will not disclose it, because we have analytics. Okay, we have our ways of doing analysis. I can't be explaining that for you guys, but I have my own way of doing analysis. A lot of things from experience, from different angles, and from different dimensions. Okay, physically and also from experience as well. A lot of reasons why I have not put this under our recommended category. It's currently under our suggestion category, which means that it has moved from try to try. Is something that you will do and it will not pay you. That is try category. You will do it and your chances of getting paid is 30% below 50%, which means you might you have no chance of getting paid. You have no chance. Any try category project means you have no chance of getting paid. Then once the project get into our suggestion category, it means it's 50-50. It means that you can get paid from the platform, which is 50-50. The other 50 is that you might not get paid. That's the suggestion category, which is 50-50. You might get your capital, you might get paid, you might not get paid. That is 50-50 category. Then the recommendation category is more than 50, which means any funds or any effort you put in that project, which will rank as recommendation category, it means you will get something from it, whether it's small or big, but you must surely get something from it. That is our recommended category. They don't necessarily need to invest in our recommended category. You don't have to, but it means that whenever you do our recommended categories, you always get something from that project. That's the truth from experience, and that is proof. You can check our videos to see our recommended categories and how we cash out from them. And our suggestion category as well, most of them also pay our suggestion category. So this is currently under our suggestion category. Remember, I've withdrawn $0.2 already for free. Okay, you can see that in this channel, and I will be leaving this for a while. Then maybe I can withdraw, but maybe I can withdraw the funds, maybe I can leave it, but I'm just using this for experiment purpose only, for educational purpose. So I don't say you should go and deposit $10 or $100. Okay, but if you are willing, you understand this platform, or you just want to try it like the way I tried it out, okay, you can try it as well. You can deposit, you can try it yourself. But disclaimer, I'm not encouraging you to deposit your life savings. Deposit what you are capable of losing. In the internet, mostly in the crypto industry, it's a wide world. Okay, it's a wide world. It's where you can enter and lose a lot of things. You can lose a lot of things. Okay, so you have to be wise, you have to be smart in this crypto industry. Educate yourself. Okay, we have a channel where we teach you about these things. Okay, check our YouTube channel. We educate you there for free. Learn how to understand the industry you are in. Learn education from our YouTube channel called Mascapa. Okay, so for those of you that don't know our channel, search Mascapa YouTube channel on Google, Chrome, any internet you are using, any browser you are using. Search our channel Mascapa YouTube channel. It will link you Mascapa crypto channel. It will link you to our crypto channel. You can subscribe, you can share, you can watch, learn, and educate yourself about the industry you are in. So guys, this is the latest update. $2 gotten on my $10 deposit. I still leave it. I don't want to withdraw currently, but I can withdraw if I want to. But currently, this is the latest update. See you on the next one. Bye for now. Peace out. Any questions as well can be seen. Okay, any question is acceptable regarding this project. You can place it in the comment section. The link of this project will be given in the description of the video or in the comment section, so you can join to register. You can withdraw for free without investment. Okay, that is the good thing about this project, and that is why I'm talking about it. Okay, so take note of that. So see you on the next update. Bye for now. Peace out.